Well, Mumbai-based real estate companies like Oberoi Realty and Godrej Properties were buzzing in trade today. This after the Supreme Court passed an order to free private forest land in Mumbai for real estate development. For more on this, let's go close to Varinder Bansal.
Well, clearly the Bombay-based realtors were active today. Remember, Supreme Court passed an order yesterday giving environmental clearances for Mulund, Vikhroli, Kandivali, Borivali kind of projects. Remember, I'll give a small background. In 2008, there was in 2005, there was a Mumbai High Court order pertaining to the land what they declared as forest. Yesterday, Supreme Court came and cleared that this is not a forest land, and most of the developers can go ahead and actually, start their development work. In all these things, there are two developers, especially in Bombay, which will be impacted the most. Godrej Properties stands to gain the most. Remember, R.D. Godrej on our channel clearly said that the Supreme Court decision will benefit the company in a positive way. They will develop 133 acres of property. They will be developing, via joint agreement with Godrej and Boyce, who actually controls the land. They'll get a revenue sharing from this. But this is a positive announcement coming for Godrej Properties in this sense. Oberoi Realty is another company. This company has been waiting for a long time so that this project goes on. The Mulund project is worth nearly 3.3 million square feet, or in one of the conference call, management says that it could be nearly 5,000 crore in terms of revenues. There were reports which came in the morning where Morgan Stanley clearly said that the project should contribute nearly 1,200 crores or nearly 39 rupees per share to its NAV. Edelweiss also mentioned that it should contribute nearly 10% to its NAV or nearly 910 crores. Macquarie has an outperformer target with a price target of 234 rupees per share. So both these stocks, Godrej Properties and Oberoi Realty closed up nearly 5% and will stand to gain after the Supreme Court decision coming on Thursday.
And in fact, R.D. Godrej of Godrej Group says that this order will have a favorable impact in their 133-acre project in Vikhroli.
About 133 acres of our land was involved in this particular case, which the Supreme Court has now ruled in favor of the applicants. We will be able to develop this. We have an agreement where Godrej and Boyce will develop all our Vikhroli land through Godrej Properties, who will be the development manager. They get a 10% fee for the development management. Godrej and Boyce does the investment, and out of the 10 percentage points of fee, Godrej Property gets about 2% goes into advertising and planning. So 8 percentage points goes into the bottom line of Godrej Properties.
Well, on to the earnings corner then. A whole host of banks like Punjab National Bank